It's a school wagon. So kids could be taken to school with a horse. Pretty neat. Pretty cool. It reminds me of the Ghostbusters car. Oh, this is a grater. That's cool. Apparently it's a Cadillac grater.
These are what they call visible.
This is a, this must be like a Ford fire truck. Pretty cool. And this one's got skis and tracks.
Yeah, it's pretty unusual.
Yeah. Never seen one like that before.
Where did you find this one?
Cool.
One of the guys in the club. Oh, right. And this is up in the EQ.
This one's like a convertible.
This is 100 years old.
Neat.
I hear it in the meadow and I hear it in the grove. Nellie Bly has a heart as a cup of tea, bigger than the sweet potatoes down in Tennessee. Hey Nellie, oh Nellie, listen to me. I'll sing for you, I'll play for you a dulcet melody.
Recover.
All of
There's a Civil War encampment kind of thing.
Well, I'm visiting with the 41st today. I was originally 13th New Jersey. They're nice enough to let me come through here. It was really nice of them. And you know, my shtick for today is I'm just taking my antique sharpening stone and just having a good old time.
And one of the reasons why we had the green window was to kind of blend in with, you know, the background. Company. Halt. Front. Low.
Cover your ears.
Okay.
Company. Ready. At elevation. Aim. Fuck. Boom. Front right. At elevation. Aim. Fuck. Low.
Smoke.
Elevation. Aim. Fuck. Low. Firing by files. Commence. Fire.
Now this is inside the Mishler weaving mill, but it's pretty cool. They do make these rag rugs and dish towels on the old equipment with volunteer work, volunteer labor.
Let's go down the stairs. weavers are there?
Which I have all clear, but periodically pick it up and read it.
7, 8, 9, 10. If they were all here reading, 11 would be 11 of us.
But it's a conversation between Walter Raleigh and other people that were in her court. And we're talking about when the South goes in your sables. It's from another throne. Talking about girls and various things. And it's just Dale used to have a party at our house Friday at 5 kind of thing. Yeah. People who haven't heard it before. And the whole place would end up just it's really, and it's not in the complete versions of his works. Because I looked at
So if you're going real good, how many inches can you make like in an hour?
A rug in an hour.
You make a whole rug in an hour?
Yeah, if I don't
If she's
talk.
not talking.
Today, I've been at it for 4 hours, and I've only got this much done. So, and I still have 4 more shuttles to go. And I'll show you how that works. Undo this gear. And then this piece of wood is the brake. And I'm going to lift the brake and crank it forward. I'm going to crank it one more time.
So you don't have to lean so far forward to push the shuttle through?
Well, the shuttle won't go through. This is called the shed, and if it's up there too far, you don't have room for your
To
shuttle
fit it
to
through.
get
I see.
So, yeah.
Interesting. Pretty cool.
Yes, it is.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
This is a really long one. Make a very long bit of fabric with this one. It's an iron machine here. And you can see the overhead belt drives. This is another one. It's not quite as long as the other one, but it's an iron machine. Pretty cool. Got some neat detailing.
And then we have women that come in and sew these strips together. That's what I was saying.
Pretty cool place. The Mishler Weaving Mill.